Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 103, Surah Baqarah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ولو أنهم آمنوا واتقوا لمثوبة من عند الله خير لو كانوا يعلمون. ولو wow always use only the lips. Don't use teeth to touch the lower lip. This is a wrong way to say wow. Wow is pronounced only with joining the sides of your lips. Wa. Low and wa for fatha. Open your jaws. For this zabar, open your jaws. Wa low. There are two harfalin. Wow sakina قبلها مفتوح. When you find fatha before waw sakin, this is number one, and number two is ya sakina قبلها مفتوح. So these are the two harf leen. What harf leen is? Leen is to pronounce anything very softly. So whenever you come to these combinations, you will make a very soft sound. Law. Give fatha a nice time to fatha, la, and then join with wow. Law, wa, law, and it takes 2 counts long time. Walau. And Hamza is a shadid letter, very strong letter. You pronounce it from the last part of the throat, and it is joined with noon, and there is tashdid. Whenever you find noon with tashdid or meme with tashdid, you make gunna. And what is gunna? Gunna is to keep the sound in your nose, and it will be 2 haraka long gunna too. You will keep the sound in your nose for 2 harakat. And this is the length. This is the time you will keep the sound in your nose. And fatha is short. Na. Walau anna. Na is short. Hum. For every dhamma, whenever you will come to dhamma, circle your lips very well. And when you will come to this sukoon letter, your lips should be in a straight position. Hum. Walau anna hum. This is 2 counts long. There are 3 long vowels. 3 mad asli in Quran. There's alif قبلها مفتوح. واو قبلها ضمة. And يا قبلها مكسور. These are 3 مد طبيعي. These are the natural long vowels. Whenever you'll find alif and the sakna قبلها مفتوح, look, and waw sakina قبلها and waw sakin before that you find dhamma. And if you will find kasra and you will find kasra before ya, you will give 2 haraka long sound. So here you find alif, and before alif you find fatha. This is 2 haraka long. Ma. Nu, ma, short. Nu, 2 counts long. Why this is 2 counts long? Because this is part of natural mad. Look, waw sakna, and waw is sakin, and before that you find dhamma. Look, this is the same combination here. Waw sakina and you find dhamma before it, and it will be 2 counts long. Amanu, what? Wow is attached with ta, what, ta, ta. For fatha, give short sound and open your jaws. Ta, qaw. Again, this is which combination? Yes. Look, wow sakina qablaha maftuh, and this is a soft, soft vowel. Qaw, you will give a very soft sound. You will give fatha a very nice time and attach it with waw. Qaw, wattaqaw, la short, ma short, thu 2 counts long. Why? This combination matches which? This one. Yes. Waw sakina qablaha matmum. Waw sakin, and if you will find dhamma before it, it will be 2 counts long. Look here. Lamathu, ba is short. Tum, you find a meme tashdid, and it goes to this one. You will keep the sound in your nose for 2 haraka. Look, this will be 2 haraka long too. All these combinations, this will be 2 counts long too, and this is 2 counts long too. All these, but these have a different names. Okay. Lama, thu, ba, tum. So you will keep sound in your nose, and that is called a gunna, and it will be 2 haraka long. Like long, 2 haraka, when I will say, so this will be the time you will keep that sound in your nose. So tum min. And whenever you will find lin amar, you will give tawassut. And tawassut is a medium flow of sound. So you will not say min indil. You will not stop noon sakin abruptly. You will give a medium flow of sound, and medium flow of sound is called tawassut. Min, this is ikhfa. You will hide the sound in your nose. Dillahi, every kasra has E sound. Give clear E sound in it. Dil, la, di, dal kasra di, ba kasra bi, ta kasra ti. Dil, la, whenever you will find kasra before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, lam will be light. Dilla, la, he, short. Khoy, this is, which combination is this? Ya sakina qablaha maftuh. Look, this is a lean, soft. You will pronounce it softly. So khoy, give fatha a very nice time, and then attach it with ya, khoy, khoy, and then you will give the wasat on ra, because it will get sukoon because of the waqf. So it will go here. This is a tawassut. Tawassut is a medium flow of sound. So you will give a medium flow of sound when you will stop here on ra. Khayr, law. This is, which combination is this? Yes, it is a lean letter. And lean letter has to be said very, very softly. Give a nice time on fatha and attach it with waw. La, law. Ka is 2 counts long too. Why? Because this is a natural mad. Look, this one is alif sakina qablaha maftuh. Ka, nu, this is natural mad too. So many natural mads comes in Quran. So you should be very much careful about it. Kanu, ya. Is a very soft letter, ya. And for ayn, you will give tawassut. Whenever there are lin umar are lam, noon, ayn, mim, ra. These are the 5 letters. Whenever you find them in with sukoon, with sukoon, you will give them a medium flow of sound, and that um, this qaida, this rule is called tawassut. So we give capital T for this. Yeah, la is short. Moon. This will get tawassut too because we are giving sukoon at the last letter when we stop. So this is tawassut. And we gave mada adat sukoon at the last. يعلمون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.